Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang love life ninyo for March 2026. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi po ako magme-message or magpo-follow sa inyo to offer services. Beware of fake accounts and scammers, no? Kung napapanood nyo to, just make sure you are watching this sa Mystic Queen PH, okay? So, private reading, mysticqueenph.com o kaya meron tayong link sa description or sa comment section. Hindi nyo po kailangan mag-message sa akin, ha? For private readings. Kasi may mga nagnanakaw ng mga videos ko, nagpapanggap na Mr. Queen PH. So, mag-ingat, scammers po yan, okay? So, let's begin. Aries, what's the energy ng inyong love life ngayong March 2026? For those who are single, what's the energy sa mga single? Okay, so yung iba sa inyo single, you are manifesting a connection, a relationship. You really want to have a relationship right now. Pwedeng may nakakausap ka na, you are manifesting this person, magkaroon ng progress, o 'di ba? Kaibigan mo to, nakakasama mo madalas sa trabaho, meron kang crush. Oo, kaya lang I don't think sa ngayon pwedeng ngayong March wala pa masyadong mag-progress when it comes to romantic connection. But if you want to get close to this person, may opportunity naman. So, pwedeng hinay-hinay lang, kaibiganin muna, kilalanin mo muna. Who knows in the future, 'di ba? Mag-manifest na. So, tingnan natin yung mga in a relationship, ibig sabihin you're connecting with someone, you are in a situationship. Let's see. For Aries in a relationship. 6 of Swords, 2 of Swords. Nano to? Okay. So, some of you, pwedeng nanggaling kayo sa challenging times ng person mo. But, mas pinili mo ngayon na magstay sa relationship. Maybe because gusto mong bigyan ng chance itong person na to na patunayan yung kanyang sarili. Kumbaga, kaya mo pa, no? Kaya mo pang pagbigyan, kaya mo pang tiisin, kaya mo pa. And some of you, you have a deep feelings for this person, so talagang you really want to make this relationship work. But of course, I think also, pinoprotectionan mo na rin yung sarili mo na andun yung part na okay, binigyan mo ng chance, you want to try to work things out, pero hindi ka talaga umaasa 100% na magwo-work yung relationship na to. But kumbaga sabi nga, benefit of the doubt. But I think naman this person will pwedeng patutunayan naman niya yung sarili niya, no, sa relationship. Lalo na kung meron kayong anak, meron kayong, nakabuo na kayo ng family together. But for some of you na wala pa kayong anak or hindi pa kayo kasal, meron kang reservation na okay, hindi mo na 100% ibibigay yung tiwala mo, pero binigyan mo lang siya ng chance. Oo. Yan. May union. So, meron talagang reconciliation for some of you. Para kasing merong rito, on and off energy sa connection ninyo na may mga times na you feel like hindi ka na secure sa connection na to, sa person na to. But, andun pa rin yung paniniwala na malay mo, no, maging maayos, maging in the end, ma-work out nyo yung connection na to. So, itong ngayong March 2026 is the month for you to work things out with your person, ayusin, magtiwala ulit, ganon, if you're connecting with someone. But at the same time, I also see you na nagpo-focus ka rin sa sarili mo, na tipong naghahanda ka, piniprepare mo rin, you want to be someone who is independent. Kasi kung for the longest time or kung dati dependent ka sa kanya at maraming naapektuhan kapag nagkakaproblema kayo, this time even if you still chose, no, mas pinili mo pa rin na magstay, pero meron ka ng tinitira para sa sarili mo. Which is good, 'di ba? Nagtitira ka na para sa iyong sarili. Okay, what else? Final message. Physical touch, a tender touch can mean so much. Ayan. So, I think isa rin to sa kulang sa relationship ninyo na yung bang more on physical connection. Ayan, napaka-importante. This will also, parang meron siyang ina-activate, 'di ba, sa sarili natin. When your person is more, parang mas not actually hindi mas touchy ina parang misbehaving manner, but siya yung mararamdaman mo yung care niya because hands-on siya. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.